Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find MoneyGram reference number. So to get started with a step-by-step guide on how you can easily find your MoneyGram reference number, so the first thing to do is to check the receipt. So when you send money via MoneyGram, maybe online within the app or in person, you receive a receipt. Look for the reference number, usually 8 digit long and clearly labeled. So check your email if sent online or via the app. Then if you sent the money digitally, you will get a confirmation email from MoneyGram. Then the reference number is typically listed near the top or in the transaction summary. Then open the MoneyGram app or website, then log into your account, then go to transaction history and select the relevant transaction. Then the reference number will be displayed under the payment details. Then ask the sender. So if you are the receiver, ask the sender for the reference number. They must share it with you to pick up the fund, which is very necessary. Then no access to receipt or emails, call the MoneyGram customer service at the number listed on the note, or visit the nearby MoneyGram location with your ID and transaction information. So they may be able to retrieve if you have the sender's name, your name, the amount sent, and the date and location. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.